See, right from 20-25 years back, when technology adoption in the banks were to be there, the Ranganathan Committee report was set up, then the Reserve Bank of it followed up, automation to be taken care in the banks. Then the CBS was to be adopted, again Reserve Bank has taken a lead and said that the CBS has to be adopted. Now recently, about 2 to 3 years back, we started talking about automated data flow, more in terms of bringing the information into one single plan. Even there, Reserve Bank has taken a step. So this is second kind of compliance. Why I wanted to mention this is, on one kind of compliance is more to see that the banking system is fine. I mean, is within the limits in which it is working. Thanks for ICICI Bank to saying that, the role played by central bank and the behavior of the commercial banks in the country, ensuring that we are not swept away with the way, although we are a little bit affected, but not as much as the way would have swept us away otherwise. So that's one role the central bank does. There's a second role which actually looks like a developmental role rather than a compliance role. So when Reserve Bank says you do CBS and you will complete it within 10 years, on one side it looks like a compliance. You do this. But on the other side, actually what is happening is a developmental role in the case of IT. Now I'm not here to justifying it, but that seems to be the trend that is there in the Indian context. The same has happened with CBS adoption. Various things that could be done by the banks of bringing in analytics, bringing in business intelligence, bringing the whole information to one single thing, which was not happening, has to be driven in one kind form of automated data flow. So Reserve Bank is playing a peculiar role in the context of the Indian scene, where the technology is to some extent getting driven by the Reserve Bank of India also in many other banks. So the position could have been changing faster compared to what it was 15-20 years back, because banks see a different angle to it. And that is the angle which I want to talk about. The second angle is the need of the banks that they have to adopt technology. It's not that the central bank wants the technology to be adopted, but the need of the banks that they have to adopt it. So what are the various needs? It's a customer-driven need. It's an employee-driven need. It is so many other kinds of needs. It's a risk management kind of need driven. It's a fraud monitoring need. All these things needed a different kind of technology to be in place. It's not just running the business. That's what we have done so far. Now we have to run the business in a more efficient way, in such a way that we'll be able to cater to the futuristic needs or the aspirations of the various people that are actually associated with the banking.